All right, number 8 says, what is the value of x? Again, I have an isosceles triangle. I know two of the sides are congruent. So that means the two angles opposite these sides are also congruent. So angle E is going to have to equal x. So I can set up an equation that says x plus 93.5 equals 180. Remember, if you had all the angles of a triangle together, they equal 180. So we're going to have 2x plus 93.5 equals 180. From there, you need to solve for x. So move 93.5 to the other side. Minus 93.5. Let's write that right. Minus 93.5. Altogether, you get 2x equals 86.5. We're going to divide that by 2 on both sides. So divide by 2, and we get x equals 43.25. And that will be my final answer. For the next one, we're looking for the values of x and y. I noticed that we have this line down the middle that both triangles use. I noticed that both of these angles are the same. Since they are the same, I know that this line has to cut that angle in half, and these two sections need to be the same. And it's going to be a perpendicular bisector, so I know that right here we have two right angles. So that tells me right off the bat angle x equals 90 degrees. I also know that angle C and B are going to be the same. So this one here is going to be 46. And so again, we have two angles in our triangle, and we can find that third one because they all equal 180. So we're going to find y. We're going to do y plus 46 plus 90 equals 180. So we have y plus 136, if we combine 46 and 90, equals 180. We'll subtract 136 from both sides. When we do that, we get y equals, let's make this a 7, 44. And that would be my final answer. Don't forget you had an x2, so x equals 90, y equals 44. 10 says, what is the value of x? Again, we have an isosceles triangle. These two are the same, so these two angles need to be the same. So this angle here is going to be 56, and remember, they all add up to what? Hopefully you said 180. So we're going to have 56 plus x equals 180. If I add my two 56s, I get 112 plus x equals 180. We'll subtract 112 from both sides, and we get x equals 180 minus 112 gives me just 68. Yep. So x equals 68.